it's me Cassie, and today I will be doing a drawing lesson of how to draw a pretty basic flower. So the things that you will need is a pencil and maybe a rubber, and you also need a piece of paper. And you want your piece of paper to be portrait, like this. So the first step of drawing a pretty flower is you're going to want to draw just like a circle with a lot of just miscellaneous little things. I don't know. Just copy what I did. Once you have your little miscellaneous circle petal thing, then you can start drawing the petals. So to draw the petals, you're just gonna add like a line here on any end, and you're going to just add little texture petal-y things like this, and then continue doing that all around. And I will show you what it would look like once you're finished. In 3, 2, 1. Once you're finished with your flower, yours should look like maybe like mine. You can make yours bigger by adding more petals, but if you want yours to be smaller, then you can just add a few petals. So this is what mine looks like. I don't think there's such thing as a flower like this, but if there is, then I don't know what the name is. Maybe it's just me, but it does look pretty anyways. So the next step is probably the stem and the leaves. So to do the stem, it's just like a normal flower. So you're just gonna draw a small line. You can use a ruler, but I always use mine freehand, like this, and just make it a little more thick. So it looks a little bit like that, like so. And well, I'm actually almost finishing this dirt on my piece of paper. Well, I might just make the stem a little bit more thick, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, so I just made the stem a little bit thicker. It doesn't really make a difference, but oh well. Now you're gonna add the leaves to the stem because it just looks like a plain old sad, boring stem. So we're gonna add leaves. I don't know why I said that, but I just did. So you're gonna add like little leaves, like you just get that in. What is that? Okay, so to make leaves, you're going to like add a little something like this. I don't know how to explain. I'm sorry, this is such a bad video, but I'm just going to, so a little bit like that. It's like a line but curving in. And then you're gonna make a top and you're just gonna end it off like that, the same. So then you got a leaf shape, like so. And then once you're finished with that, you're going to add just a little line in between, so then it looks more like a leaf. A little bit like that. And I'm going to add another one. So yeah. So after adding the petals, this is what mine looks like. And sorry about the background noises. So I added the petal and this, not the petals, the leaves and the stem. I usually just add 2 leaves on the stem, but you can add more if you want, because it's your your drawing, so it's your choice. But this is the final result. I'm actually really happy with it, but if you want to shade yours and to make yours, I don't know, more fancier than mine, then sure, why not, just do it. But I hoped this helped you out with your drawing. If it did, then please comment in the comment section and I will see you in my next video. Also, please comment down below if you want to see me do more drawing lessons on whatever you want. Unicorns, cupcakes, poop, hamburgers, I don't know. But hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button and we'll see you on my next video. Goodbye!